Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram keeps crashing in iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you have to check whether you are using the latest version of Instagram or not. For that, open your App Store, search for the Instagram. If it was update over here, you have to tap on the option update and update your Instagram to the latest version. You can see that mine is up to date. Now the second method is you have to just reinstall your Instagram. For that, open your settings, go to the option general. Over here you can find this option of iPhone storage. Open it. Now find the app Instagram and open it, and then tap on Offload. Tap on Offload app. Now tap on reinstall app. Now the last method is you just have to reset all the settings. If your problem is yet not solved, just go back. Again, open the settings and go to the option general. Scroll down to the bottom, you can see this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, and then tap on this option reset all settings. Applying all these options will surely help to solve your problem. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.